Hello, Mitch. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to present my paper entitled Ethnomathematics, the discovery of mathematical concepts in the Sekatan tradition. I'm Muhammad Nur Khalid. The low number of professional teachers is one of the causes of Indonesia's poor quality of education, especially in mathematics. Although the teacher is not the only variable determining the success of education, the teaching and learning process is the central point of education. One strategy to produce experienced mathematics teachers is to prepare prospective mathematics teachers to meet the standard of professional mathematics teachers, such as professional knowledge, professional practice, and professional attitude. Ethnomathematics is a technique in explaining and understanding diverse cultural contexts into mathematical language. Mathematics is close to the actual context in ethnomathematics, and mathematics are immersed in the real thing. Thus, mathematics learning becomes very contextual and close to cultural and social realities of the artistic community around students. Besides, the cultural diversity of each student can raise the student critical thinking. Those ethnomathematics must be known and understood by prospective teacher. This study aims to introduce the concept of ethnomathematics and explore students' opinion regarding the ethnomathematic approach by proposing two questions. The first question, what do mathematics education students think about learning mathematics using the ethnomathematic approach? And can the ethnomathematic approach be used as an innovation in learning mathematics? This qualitative study was caused, with a case study design focuses on describing the collaboration of prospective mathematics teachers in Indonesia in understanding ethnomathematics and its practices. Sekatan is a ceremony to celebrate the birthday of Prophet Muhammad. This ceremony lasts for 7 days, and it is also a relic tradition from the Demak village. The word Sekatan comes from the Arabic word Sahadatain, which means two sentences of creed. The cultural richness of this city allows prospective mathematics teachers who come from different cultural backgrounds to explore the existing culture to be used as an innovation in mathematics learning. The sample consisted of 6 students selected by snowball sampling from 40 prospective mathematics teachers who had conducted ethnomathematics-based learning training with the Sekatan of content. In the interview with 6 subjects obtained data, interviews aim to find our deeper information and more accurate data. In simulating the ethnomathematic approach, the 6 subjects were asked to send cultural learning concepts that can be applied in mathematics using electronic message. This is our result and our finding. The first one, explanation of the concept of fraction using Gendeng Bonang. Gamelan Kiai Guntur Madu and Kiai Guntur Sari were played for 7 consecutive days as the hallmark of the Sekatan. A sat gamelan consisted of an instrument called bonang. This instrument is small gong placed on a string in a wooden frame. The kettle has a convex shaft at the top as a center for heating. In the Japanese gamelan instrument unit, bonang belongs to the Penchon family of musical instruments, namely gamelan musical instrument made of metal and in a basin shape with a convex shaft at the top as a place to hit the device. The instrument is played by hitting it with a unique tool. Figure 1A is a bonang music instrument, which consists of 10 different kettles in wooden frame. The picture is illustrated in figure 1B. When one kettle is hit, then the value is 110. it was gained from the number of his cattle, 1/10. Figure 1c described that two cattle were hit together so that the value was 2/10 or equal to 1/5. And this is also our finding. Pattern of number of Gunungan S3. The rengginang arrangement in Gunungan S3 can be implemented in the mathematical context numbering. For example, the first row is the number of rengginang on the highest line with U1. Then the next row is represented with U2 with the number of rengginang on row. And number of total rengginang used as n. This concept is called arithmetic sequence. And this one is finding definition of cycle using Gunungan Teller. And this one, non-Euclid geometry in Perahu Otok-Otok games. So the concept of ethnomathematics is not limited to exploration and experimentation on mathematics learning in schools. Still, it is adopted as a curriculum in learning so that mathematics becomes something concrete maybe or contextual for a student. The existence of a culture employed in learning mathematics is close to students' daily life. So this study strengthens the finding of mathematical concept that can be extracted from cultural heritage. Thus, ethnomathematics research is seen as an innovation in mathematics learning that can be sustainably explored. That's all. So thank you for the time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.